Hi guys, today we'll be unboxing the Linner NC90 hybrid noise cancelling headphones. So about the product material, the build looks good and durable, it is comfortable to wear, and it fits nicely around the ears. It also is adjustable so it can fit everyone's head. So this is a hybrid noise cancelling headphones. As you can see, it has an NC button here. It has two options for noise cancelling, medium and high. I've tried the high option and it really does a great job of cancelling any noise. This is very good, especially if you are in an environment which has a lot of noise like a busy coffee shop or inside the plane. You also have the option to use it as a wired headphone. Just plug in the 3.5mm cable in your device, which is included in the package. Now for the sound quality, it is really great. Whether you like to listen to acoustic, rock or hip hop, it just works perfect for every type of music. I'm using it to edit this video and it is comfortable to use for long periods of time. That's it for today's unboxing. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe, like and comment down below what you think about it, and I'll see you on the next video.